Hi kids! Today we are going to learn about multiplication of whole numbers without regrouping. Suppose I have this problem. There are 3 street children. If I will give each of them 2 apples, how many apples do I need to buy? It's like saying I have 3 sets of apples and each set has 2 apples. We can have a multiplication expression out of this, such as 3 times 2. And 3 times 2 is equal to what number? Yes, very good kids. It's 6. Therefore, I need to buy 6 apples. Now kids, take a look at this one. Each set has 3 apples. Can we make a multiplication expression out of this? What is that? Yes, it's 2 times 3. And 2 times 3 is equal to what number? 6. Oh, the answer is the same with the expression a while ago. 3 times 2 is equal to 6 and 2 times 3 is equal to 6. It's known as the commutative property of multiplication. Which is easier to visualize? 3 times 7 or 7 times 3? Remember that multiplication is repeated addition. So, 3 times 7 means 7 plus 7 plus 7. And it is equal to 21. 7 times 3 means 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And it is also equal to 21. Take a look at these pictures. We have 3 sets of 1 apple. What multiplication expression can we make out of these pictures? Yes, it's 3 times 1. And what is the answer? Yes, it's 3. It's identity property of multiplication. It means that any number multiplied to 1 is equal to the same number. So if you can see that one of the factors in a multiplication expression is 1, such as in these examples, the product is the number itself. Two times 0 is equal to what number? Yes, it's 0. And that's 0 property of multiplication. Any number multiplied to 0 is equal to 0. So every time you see that the factor or one of the factors of a multiplication expression is 0, the answer is 0. Let's take a look at this one. Quantity 4 times 5 times 6 is equal to what number? First, multiply 4 by 5. The answer is correct. 20. 20 times 6 is 120. Now, quantity 4 times 6 times 5. But wait, is it just the same with 4 times 5 times 6? Yes. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 times 5 is equal to 120. In these examples, we change the grouping. Take note that in 4 times 6 times 5, 6 is now written inside the parentheses, and 5 is now written outside the parentheses. But still, the signs are the same. Multiplication signs. So 4 times 6 times 5 is equal to 120. And this is known as the associative property of multiplication. I will give you tips to memorize multiplication tables from 1 to 12. Tip number 1, memorize the tables with your peer, your parent, or your guardian. Tip number 2, practice multiplying whole numbers online. Tip number 3, watch videos about multiplication tables. Tip number 4, apply the techniques in multiplication. 312 times 24 is equal to what number? Let's start by identifying 312 and 24. We call them as factors. Now let's write them in column. 312 times 24. 312 is called multiplicand, and 24 is called multiplier. 24 is called multiplier because later we are going to multiply 24 by 312. So we start with 4 first, the ones digit. We start with 4 in the ones digit of 24. That would be 4 times 2, 4 times 1, and 4 times 3. And after that, we will go to the digit in the tens place, which is 2. We can have 2 times 2, 2 times 1, and 2 times 3. That's why we call 24 as the multiplier. Now, let's multiply 4 by 2. The answer is correct. It's 8. We put 8 below 4, and it is in the ones place. Now, what are we going to multiply next? Yes, it's 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Next. Very good. 4 times 3, and it is equal to 12. So write 2 below 3 and 1 beside 2. It doesn't matter if you extend space to the left of 2 because there are no more thousands, 10,000s, and other digits. Now we are done with 4 in 24 as the multiplier. We will now use 2 as the multiplier. We will multiply 2 times 2 above, 2 times 1, 2 times 3. And we will put the first answer, okay, below the tens place. Now 2 times 2 is equal to 4. And 2 times 1 is equal to 2. We will put 2 at the left of 4. 2 times 3 is equal to 6, which will be put at the left of 2. Now, 1,248 is known as the first partial product, and 624 is known as the second partial product. Now, what are we going to do with first partial product and second partial product? Yes, we will add them. Now, at the bottom part, there is no digit in the ones place. So bring down what? Yes, bring down 8. And what are we going to add next? Very good. 4 plus 4. And that is also equal to 8. 2 plus 2? 4. Good. And 1 plus 6? Yes, you are right. It's going to be 7. And 7,488 is called what? Okay, it is the final product. And it is the final answer. 312 times 24 is equal to 7,488. Thank you for watching this video, and please do not forget to answer the seat work. Happy learning!